So here how to make the boomerang transition you just saw. For that, first make sure the clips are twisted. I already twisted my clips, and you mark the beads you want to place the transition, like I marked the beads here in the audio. Now add the time remapping on the clip and see which part you want to do the boomerang. Like I want the transition from here to here in this clip. Like here to here was fine. Place the keyframes on time remapping of these parts. It should be fine. And remove the keyframes that you don't want, like I don't want this part and this part. And adjust these keyframes on your beat mark, like here to like here. Since I want the boomerang from this keyframe to this one, put this keyframe in between the beat mark and copy the first one to this mark. Now select all the keyframe, easy is them, open the graph editor and follow my graph. Now your transition for first clip is complete, and in case you want the transition on complete clip like this one, I want this complete clip to be transitioned, then just add time remapping by pressing Ctrl Alt T and make sure you place one keyframe just before the last one. Before the last keyframe. We are doing this because last keyframe is clip end and it will show a 1 frame black screen when boomerang. Now follow the same process. Place these keyframes on beat. Place this keyframe in between the beats, and first one, just copy paste the first one in last beat. Let me remove this keyframe also. Select all the keyframes, easy is them. Open the graph editor, copy my graph. And done. Your transition is complete. If you watched the video till here, then do like the video. And I am making the next video on the best way to make Twixtor. So make sure you subscribe the channel and let's meet on next video.